So we're here at Sheraton Vistana Villages in Orlando, Florida, getting ready to head inside and take a look at a 2-bedroom villa here in the Key West phase. Let's head inside and check it out. Okay, so when you come inside the main entryway here, first thing you'll notice is the kitchen. Most of the rooms here at Sheraton Vistana Villages, they actually have laundry right inside the door, at least the 2 bedrooms and larger 1 bedrooms do. But here we have the kitchen. So your standard kitchen, dishwasher, oven and range. Nice big full-size refrigerator there as well. Let's take a look inside here. Yeah, everything you need in there, lots of room. And it has an ice maker, and it looks like it's actually already on. That is a good thing, because I hate coming into a room with absolutely no ice. But you do have your microwave oven, knife block here, coffee maker, toaster, blender there, and paper towels and all of the supplies that you need. There's also some starting coffee supplies, salt and pepper over here as well, and looks like a nice stainless steel sink. Up here in the cabinets, take a look. We do have full set of dinnerware here for 8 people. So everything you need here to cook up and eat some great meals in your villa, and glassware here as well. Let's see what we have in the drawers, and underneath the countertops in the cabinets, there's all your kitchen supplies, cooking utensils. Looks like they've maybe added one, or somebody maybe went out and bought one. This does not look familiar in these rooms, but hey, it would be a good addition if they added that. And down here, it looks like we have cauldron, some bowls, measuring cup, and it looks like a little kind of orange juicer down there. And let's see what we have over here. We have, well, there is your silverware for 8 people. And in here, pots and pans. Does look like they have a non-stick skillet. Yeah, there is the non-stick skillet. Actually looks like it's in pretty good shape. And then in here, well, that just looks like this is going to be empty drawers. And I would be right. Underneath here, we do have more starting supplies, and it looks like a pot there, a tea kettle to boil some water. And then in here, we do have your laundry. So laundry here is just off of the kitchen, kind of like they have over in the St. Augustine phase, actually. We've stayed in one of those. If you want to see a 2-bedroom in St. Augustine phase here at Sheraton Vistana Villages, I'll put a link to it right up here in the corner. And over here, they also have some pantry shelves. All right, so now that we've seen the kitchen, we do have the living room in here, but we're gonna make a turn right here. We're gonna take a look at the guest bedroom. You do have, looks like 2 queen or full-size beds at least. So definitely a room. It says it sleeps up to 8 people, I believe. There is overhead ceiling fans, some nice artwork on the wall here as well. And there is a window out there to kind of the breezeway of their hallway. So you want some privacy, make sure you keep those curtains closed. And then over here, you do have kind of a dresser, chest of drawers with a pretty good size television up on top. And then right here looks like just a small closet. They have a little rack there for some luggage and place to hang up some clothes with a little shelf up there. And just off of the bedroom, you actually have the bathroom. The second guest bath is connected to the guest bedroom. Let's actually just walk around here and show you, because we also have a door in here off of the dining room area. So heading in here, kind of your standard bathroom. I mean, there's not too much to show you in a bathroom, right? Plenty of towels, granite countertops, nice bright lighted mirror. They do have the large hand soaps for pump, so you're not always replacing soap and stuff like that. Toilet, bathtub with a shower. And again, in here, you have your conditioner, shampoo, and body wash stuck to the wall. So now that we've seen the guest bedroom, the guest bathroom, let's head out here, take a look at the dining room and living room. They do have some kind of cool artwork here on the wall. You do have a dining room table for 6 people. And also here, kind of a couple of stools up against the bar. Kitchen here, this granite countertop. So again, you could seat up to 8 people in here. Nice big mirror there, plenty of light. And then in here is the living room. So You do have a sofa. We'll pull out into a queen size bed, a couple of chairs, a couple of little footstools or ottomans, and then here, big TV and a Bose sound system down there below as well. These ottomans, this actually lifts out, and you have some storage in there. We've got some glare off of that other one, and you can turn this over for kind of a little tabletop. It will fit down in there better if I did a little bit better job. There you go. So you can have it as a solid tabletop or kind of that soft cushion for putting your feet up on. Now in here also, we do have, it looks like a little closet here. See what's in here? Well, there we go. We have the sweeper, vacuum. Kind of interested to know, let me know down in the comments below what you call that. But here, ironing board as well. All right, now that we've seen the dining room, living room, guest bedroom, we're gonna take a look at the master bedroom. We'll take a look at the patio here in just a bit. So in here, king size bed, couple of nightstands on each side. You do have a chair in the corner there and another dresser with a similar sized TV as the guest bedroom. So here is the nightstands. One thing we really like about these nightstands, both of them actually have this, and that is in here, you do have got some electrical outlets and USB ports. Charging your devices, charging your phone, bedside. All right, we're gonna head in here and take a look at the bathroom. Looks like they kind of have a little louvered kind of window here that goes into the bathroom area. Actually, the bathtub is right behind here. So you do have a jetted tub, kind of stands on its own. Looks like a really nice place to relax here if after a long day at the parks here in Central Florida. Then over here, you do have just a single vanity out here. So your lighted mirror, again, your granite countertops, plenty of towels, hair dryer down there too. And then in here, looks like just a little closet with some extra bedding up there. And I think over on this side, we have the in-room safe. Now here is also your full-length mirror. And then inside here, separate little kind of water closet. It's not really a water closet because you have a full stand-up shower with your toilet. Now this shower looks like it actually has a fair bit of room. You do have your pump soaps, shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. There's really no shower seat or anything like that in here. Just kind of your standard walk-in shower. Then over here on the other side, basically another vanity, single sink, big bright lighted mirror. So you have the vanity and then you have a vanity. So they're almost pretty much right side by side, but separated by a wall, and this can be closed off with a pocket door. So now that we've seen the inside of the villa, we're gonna head out and take a look at the patio. All right, so here is the patio. Let's get those shears opened up. Might be unlocked already. It is. So let's head out here. It looks like we have 4 chairs and a table. And then out here as well, we do have an overhead ceiling fan. So it is a pretty good size patio out here in this Key West Phase 2-bedroom villa. The screens obviously do help keep out the bugs. So all of the patios, the balconies here are screened in. So that's really nice. And then over there, I can also see they do have an electrical outlet. So if you're wanting to work out here on your computer, go out here, hang out, plug something into charge. Well, it is quite a ways over there, but you could scoot the table down or maybe just have an extension cord. But yeah, the little view out here, we're on the 2nd floor in building 13. So we actually have a view of the little lake, little pond, beach over there. You can see the 90 miles to Cuba marker there. We have playground, and then the Key West pool is just over there. Okay, so there you have it, the 2-bedroom villa here in the Key West Phase at Sheraton Vistana Villages. Kind of curious, do you have a trip planned here in the near future? I'd love to hear all about it down in the comments below. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And to see more videos all about timeshare, check out the description box below. And if you want to see another video from here at Sheraton Vistana Villages in Orlando, Florida, I'm going to put a link to one right up here. Check out the resort tour next. Thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.